In this demo, I built an advanced AI client onboarding and project setup automation for freelancers, agencies, and service businesses. The problem is that onboarding a new client usually requires a lot of repetitive admin work. The business needs to review the client's requirements, check whether the information is complete, create a project folder, prepare a project brief, schedule a kickoff meeting, send a welcome email, and update the client record. Doing this manually takes time and can make the onboarding process inconsistent. So I created this workflow in Make.com using JotForm, Make built-in AI, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Calendar, Gmail, and Google Sheets. Here is how it works. First, the client submits an onboarding form through JotForm. The form includes the client details, service purchase, project goal, current manual process, required integration, and etc. Once the form is submitted, Make sends the information to Make built-in AI. Make built-in AI analyzes the onboarding details, creates a project summary, proposes an automation workflow, lists the expected deliverables, identifies any missing information, prepares a kickoff agenda, and recommends the next action. The AI also classifies the submission as either complete or needs clarification. If the information is complete, the automation continues with the full onboarding process. First, Google Drive creates a dedicated client folder. Then, Make creates a professional project brief from a Google Docs template using the client information and the AI-generated project analysis. The client is given access to the project brief. After that, Make prepares the kickoff date and time and creates the kickoff meeting in Google Calendar. The customer then receives a personalized welcome email with the project brief and meeting information. The completed onboarding record is saved into Google Sheets, including the project summary, proposed workflow, folder link, project brief link, calendar event ID, and onboarding status. Finally, the project owner receives an internal notification confirming that the new client has been successfully onboarded. But the workflow also handles incomplete submission. If Make built-in AI detects that important information is missing or unclear, the automation follows a different route. Instead of creating the project workspace and scheduling the kickoff meeting, the client receives an email explaining which information still needs clarification. A temporary onboarding record is saved the status waiting for clarification, and the project owner is also notified. This prevents incomplete projects from moving into delivery before the requirements are clear. So this automation does more than send a welcome email. It acts as an intelligent onboarding system that reviews the client information, decides whether the project is ready to begin, creates the project workspace, prepares documentations, schedules the kickoff, and records the entire process automatically. The workflow can also be extended further by connecting project management systems, CRMs, Slack, invoicing platforms, contact tools, or external services through APIs and HTTP requests. For freelancers, agencies, consultants, and service businesses, this can reduce onboarding time, improve consistency, and help new projects start with clearer requirements and better organizations.